Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you guys on my channel once again. Would you like to make money from testing apps for different companies before its launch? Then in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can register and get started, all right? So as you're looking at my screen, the name of the app is called UserTesting.com. And what does this website do? You have opportunity to test different apps for different companies, all right? We all know that we have apps on the Google Play Store and we have different apps on our iOS store. So most of these apps, before it's pre-launch, they are going to need users to test the usability of those apps, how relevant those apps can work once people start using the app, all right? So that is when you as an individual we are going to make money from testing how useful the apps works, all right? And also you have opportunity to give your own personal reviews on the platform, all right? So this helps the final user to enjoy the usability of those apps, all right? So that is when you can come in on the back end. Once you test how those apps work, then you have opportunity to give your reports to the company. So once the company gather all those reports, that is when they will now add and remove anything that needs to be added or anything that needs to be removed from the app, all right? So we all know that those apps are developed by top developers, all right? So for them to know that the app is really user friendly, they need individuals to work on those apps and see all what they need to add and remove, just like I explained. So let's just look at you can see some of the companies that are highlighted on this usertesting.com. You can see Walmart, you can see Alaska, we can see ATB, we can see HelloFresh, we can see GoDaddy. So they have so many big brands over here who have worked with user testing to get remote workers to work for this company, all right? So if this information sounds good for you, you can make extra income by testing apps for company before it's pre-launch on Google Play Store or on iOS store, all right? So how do you now get started to test this app? You are going to click start here. So once you click start here, you are going to see two tabs. The first tab is I want to evaluate user testing for my company, user testing for businesses, all right? Then you're going to see the second tab which says I want to make money online, get paid to tests, all right? So we are going through the second option. So we are going to click this one. All right, you can see boost your monthly income in your free time. Try the ultimate side hustle. It's easy, fast, and simple. Share your perspective on products and experience and make money from the comfort of your home. So that is how you can get started. So how do you get started? You come over here and input your email address. Once you input your email address, you are going to receive a notification on your email to verify your account. So follow through those process and definitely you are going to get verified, all right? So that is how you can apply and get started on usertesting.com, all right? So this app is paying, so you have opportunity to test apps and make money. So kindly go over and register and start working on the usertesting.com. So if you have any question, kindly go to the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe if you're here to subscribe, so that you are going to get daily or weekly updates on my channel, all right? Thank you guys for staying true to the very end.